Hi everyone, Namaskar. Me Manali. Welcome to my channel Paradise Konkan. This is my second vlog and a start of a new series basically. It's been a while that I've been in Konkan in my native. It's been almost a week's time now, and as I had posted on Instagram, there is going to be a new series which is going to come up. Like since past few days, I've been exploring the entire coastal region for 5 days, and man, I'll tell you, uh, it's like I was actually living in the name of my channel, that is Paradise, and I've been exploring the entire each and every corner, all the hidden beaches, and trust me, I've been coming here since past 28 years of my life, but this is for the first time that I've explored the coastal part, like so closely, and I don't think anything has made me so happier than exploring all these beautiful, pristine beaches, white sand, and so clean. I don't think I have ever seen. I mean, yeah, of course, I have traveled, to many more other places, but I think this place, of course, it is closer to my heart. But the beaches, the mountains, the greenery, हर एक टाइम जब भी मैं यहाँ पे आती हूँ, जब भी मैं कुछ नया एक्सप्लोर करती हूँ यहाँ पे, every place makes sure to build a place in my heart, and it's so beautiful. So this is the first episode basically. We are starting with, I mean, of course, जो लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हैं पैराडाइज कोंकण पे, अगर नहीं करते हो तो ज़रूर कीजिए. Instagram handle is Paradise Konkan, Facebook handle is Paradise Konkan again. And मैंने स्टोरी डाला था कि we are coming up like with a series called Exploring the Unexplored, and ये पहला एपिसोड है. So this is the beginning of the series. So इस vlog में I'm just going to show you every single it is basically is entire episodes में it's going to be like all the beaches which I have explored, which are untouched, which are isolated. ज़्यादा लोगों को उसके बारे में मालूम नहीं है. उनके बारे में I'm gonna show it in my vlogs, and this is the first episode, so I really hope that it changes a little bit of perspective of everyone like it changed mine. हमें हमेशा लगता है कि कोकन रीजन इज़ जस्ट अबाउट mangoes and coconut trees and kokum, but it is much 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 more beyond that. We are obviously rich in culture, but something which makes us more richer is the diversity, biodiversity, the nature, the natural beauty what God has gifted us with, and of course the coastal line, which is the most beautiful part of this region. And I feel so proud of being a Konkani, being my roots come from here, and I really feel proud, and this is something which is really really close to my heart. So I'm still here, and I'm living every single moment of my life. Trust me. So anyway, so we shall begin with the first episode. So just go check it out.
Down by the water, under the willow, sits a long
So we began our journey on a rainy day, on a rainy road, on a two-wheeler. We were heading towards the most beautiful beach, and I'm sure all the Konkani people must be aware about this fort, which is known as Kille Nivti.
summers and winters through snowy Decembers, sat by
The journey towards Kille Nivti itself was so beautiful because of the rains and the climate. It made more beautiful. Everywhere surrounded by the greens, lush greenery, coconut trees, and the breeze.
when the last day comes. What if you need me? Won't you hold me on the last day, our last day? Mr. and Mrs. dreamed of a willow, carving their names into the willow. If he had spoken, love would return.
moment I reached on the top, man, I'll tell you, the view was something to die for. It was so beautiful, so breezy. The waves, the sea, everything was crazy, and it was just beautiful. I just did not wanted to come back from there. I wanted to stay as long as I could, but seriously telling you guys, it's beautiful. It's seriously beautiful.
Somewhere the timing will all come together. The mishaps will turn into sunny Decembers. The lovers will be able to find their will. I wouldn't leave you, I would hold you when the last day comes. I wouldn't leave you, I would hold you when the last day comes. What if you need me? Won't you hold me when the last day, our last
Post our lunch break, we started heading towards another beach, and of course, I cannot take the name of that beach, but it was beautiful. The way towards the beach was so beautiful, surrounded by the lush greens. And the moment I reached on that beach, it was absolutely isolated, nobody around, and the coastline was so beautiful, so long, and with all the white sand and clean beach, absolutely clean beach. Again, it was a place which I wanted to stay for a long, long time. I actually stayed there, but unfortunately, I had to go back. But again, it was really beautiful.
All right, so that was the first episode, and we are going to come up with more such episodes in our coming videos. And just one thing which I want to tell you all is like, there are certain places, certain isolated places which we basically we want to keep it as it is, like isolated and untouched, and uske जगह वो जगह के नाम और directions I cannot disclose. I personally don't want to disclose. The reason is, we don't want, tourism, like uncontrollable tourism, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं और फिर बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे तो it will lose its जो अभी जो जितने वो pristine और white sand and clean है. Of course we all know when tourists come, some tourists are responsible, some are not. Some are so irresponsible that they just ruin everything, and which I personally don't want that to happen. So that is the reason I'm sorry, but I cannot disclose the name or the directions of those beaches. So,
everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason.
And
Sometimes the truth is hard to see,
exploring the unexpected.
but never, never